Hey, so let's talk about adding an unlinked page to your WordPress site. There are a couple reasons why you might want to do this, but for today's purpose, it is for adding like a link tree or a milkshake site that you can use on primarily social media to share and allow people to access multiple links. So this is what your WordPress backend looks like, and on this left side we're going to scroll over to to appearance. You can click directly from appearance and go to menus, and then from here we're going to create a new menu. So this new menu can just be unlinked or whatever you want. Make sure that it's not make sure that both of these are not clicked, because if you click on this, it's going to add it to the top, and if you click on this, it's going to add it to down here. Okay, you can see that this is a very fancy template that I haven't done anything with. Okay, so this is the menu name. Again, these are unclicked. Now we're going to add items. So I'm going to add a new page, links for social media, and I'm going to add it. Now that's there, I'm just going to save it. Now, from here, if I go to my pages, I can see this. And we can add some buttons. And this one is going to be linked to my TikTok, right? And then you add in the link, and that's that. So that is how you add unlinked pages. And again, this one is going to have its own slug. And so that's going to be right here. So now it's links for social media. I could just make it links. And now the website is here. Obviously, this is like a really horrible website. But if we go home, you can't access that page. You have to actually use the domain link, or the slug links. And so there it goes. Hopefully that helps. Other reasons to add unlinked pages are for SEO purposes, for programs or projects that are still in the works, for things you want to test launch, or if you don't want your main sitemap to be super cluttered. It's a way to create like little steps for people to take, almost like you're building out a funnel. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know and I will get to them. And of course, you can always email me at design@sequoiacraig.com.